everybody, welcome to the vlog. Today I'm building a gazebo out here on our lookout point because when we have tourists, we only have one really good gazebo, and I'm noticing that Panamanian tourists don't really like to camp in the middle of the jungle with lots of jungle action. So what I'm doing now is I'm setting up more comfortable campsites which are close to our facilities, which make people more comfortable, because generally we're looking at a year of local tourism rather than international tourism. Last year we had a bunch of gung-ho people, you know, Europeans, French, and Germans, and Canadians, and a lot of these people are, you know, go get it, outdoors, let's live in the middle of the jungle. But our flavor for tourism has changed, and now we have to be more kind of like Disneyland and less like in the middle of the jungle. So this gazebo is pole barned right near our kitchen and our bathrooms and everything, but you still have a beautiful view of the lake over there. We're about 80 feet above the lake, and so basically you've got it all. A nice place to park your car, enjoy life, have a barbecue. If you're lazy, you can just go eat at the kitchen. And the chickens are combing around because I've been digging here, and there's lots of bugs exposed because I've been weeding. And I'm going to add another 2 poles, so this will be a 6-pole thing in total. This is just what I did today. And then we're going to put rock down and put a roof on it, sloping this way, so that the rain will go in its natural direction. And it should be cool, so I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. So I know I started my vlog building a gazebo, but then what happened is we had to come into Panama to sign something or other and get it notarized, and that always happens to me. So now that we're in Panama City, we're actually heading to the beach. Beach vlog. So we're heading to the beach. We got Anne, Joy, and May. Enjoy. I get it? Enjoy? Anyway. Yeah, so welcome to beach vlog.
There it goes. That's the old town.
You have my permission to drink.
That's the Casco Viejo, and look at the bridge. This month, Panama is actually celebrating their patriotic month.
Oh, shit, the old town. Old town. Come on. Old town. Old town. That's not the oldest town, but it's the second oldest town. The oldest town is now in ruins, thanks to pirate attacks.
Cruising away.
Cruising.
That's where we used to be.
That's where we just were when we started this journey.
Yeah. And look how far we are. There's the ocean.
And what's interesting is close to the Panama Canal entrance. So just on the other side of us is the actual Panama Canal.
And you can see shipping vessels.
How much do you think because of this bridge?
This cost close to $750 million.
Million? Not
Yes.
billion?
No.
American. You're curious about this.
Well, maybe it was 757.
Very huge. It's like the house of Terminator.
We are so thankful that we were able, or we were blessed to be here on the beach. And actually, we're the only one here. Look to the left, nobody there. Look to the right, and nobody's there. And here we are. We're just the only one. And after a year, finally. This is our
be a kid. Okay, what? So we came to the beach and we're literally the only people here for miles and miles. A whole beach to ourselves. Now it's not, it's not the greatest weather for a beach, but that's okay. I like the rain on the beach. It's the best time of year to be on the beach. You don't get a sunburn. Huh? You like that idea?
But it haven't rained.
It's not gonna rain. Don't be a pansy. I'm gonna beach it no matter what. Like it or not, we're beaching it. Oh, it is raining. Uh-oh. Run for the hills.